Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you again on this channel today, and I have a very lovely decoration that we're setting up today. So this decoration is for a school, end of the final year student of a primary school, and they're having an event. It's actually called Terao, an event where different people, parents, the students had different activities. It was a lovely event. I am a parent of one of the students, so I doubled up as the event decorator as well as a parent, and it was worth it. So beautiful. Get along with us and let us set up this beautiful decoration together. Now to the setup of this decoration. In my previous video, I made this type of setup before, but I did it without a stand. So you may want to check that out if you don't have a stand and you would like to make this type of decoration. It's pretty easy and quick. So it's something you may want to try for your event, indoor, outdoor event. But for this particular one, I'm using a lamp stand. I got it from IKEA, and I did it in two different styles. If you see this one, it's white, blue, white, green. The other one that I made, which would come up after this, is the white, green, beg your pardon, white, blue, and red. I love green, guys. So these are the two patterns that I made for this particular decoration. There are a lot of ways you can make this decoration, different patterns, but for this particular event I did just two patterns, and it came out really nice. Let me know if you love this pattern or the previous one that I already arranged. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. And while you're at it, don't forget to click on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so that you're notified every time we drop a new video, so that we can set it up together, guys. Thank you.